Here we go. Started my bike ride this morning. All right. Beautiful morning. A beautiful morning. I feel I go out for a ride. Hey, Peggy. Make you smile, 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 smile. A beautiful morning. Oh. It's a windy morning, it's cool weather, and it feels like 75 outside. I'm beginning to feel the fall weather, and I love it. I don't see a lot of foliage like I see up north in New York when the leaves change color. And it looks beautiful, but we get some of that, a little bit of that sometimes depending on the trees. But it's still gorgeous here in Naples, Florida. Hey, this is Michelle Barham. I am coming to you from my neighborhood at Valencia Golf Country Club. I'm doing my bike ride this morning. And the weather is great. Yeah. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah. Lots of home going up here on Lima Court. Can't see it from this side, but you'll see it on my way back up from riding my bike on this avenue. Over there, the other side of the canal is Valencia Lakes. They're building in the back of that community also. So lots and lots of stuff happening here. building on this cul-de-sac here. See, 1, 2, 3 houses wetted their foundations. And then there's a delivery truck here delivering stuff with this house that's built already but needs to be completed. It's halfway done. All these homes here, you see the Princeton 2, the Somerville, the TREVI, all these homes, the TREVI. Some are 2-car garages, some are 3-car garages. The lowest price here right now for these homes built by Leonard Homes is $382,999. That's the lowest price. That's in the TREVI. Then you go up to $422,000. I think just had a little increase over the past 2 weeks. I think each of the homes got an extra $2,000 added to it. And this is a beautiful, beautiful community. It's got the clubhouse, got the golf courses. As you can see here, they already paved out this area for the upcoming sales office. Is going to be here in this row of homes. Parking spaces already allotted for that. Across here, you will see soon the tractor still clearing all the land on this side. The Double Eagle Trail. The houses are coming over there soon. Yeah, that's what's happening in my neighborhood. Michelle Barham with Amerivest Realty in Naples, Florida. I'm your neighborhood concierge realtor at Valencia Golf Country Club, and I'll keep you updated on what's happening, the prices, the floor plans, the square footages that's available. You can figure out which one suits your family's needs, and let me know when you're coming to move to Florida. When do you estimate you want to move here to Florida? And take you on a tour, give you the guidelines, tell you about living in Naples, see what you like about the lifestyle here. It's a beach lifestyle, it's a golf lifestyle here too. This is Valencia Golf Country Club, where there are golf courses, clubhouse, pool, and all that goodie. So you choose to be a golfer. It's not mandatory that you have to play golf, which is pretty good for some people, because not everyone anymore likes mandatory golf and the fees that come with it. So you get the choices to make choices here. Yeah, and that's a good thing. Most of the houses have gotten their new roofs since Irma came through in 2017 September, and also most of them have been repainted, and it really updated the neighborhood a whole lot to see new paints, people putting in new shrubs, new garden, fixing up their gardens, taking out the old shrubs and just spicing it up some more. Some people change out their garage door because they gave us new options 2 years ago for different colors for the garage doors, so we could choose the new updated modern colors that are trendy instead of the old ones that were trendy back in 06, 07 when this community was first built. So now a lot of neighbors are getting up to trend in their home colors. I myself have also painted over our home. I got a new roof, planted a lot of new shrubs and plants. So now it looks fandy dandy here in this beautiful community. Some people are decorated for Halloween. I'm not really a fan of decorating for Halloween. I don't do Halloween, but to each his own. Yeah, I'm enjoying my bike ride, and I'm on the last lap here. After this, I'll take a short stroll and then get some work started. Yeah, It's a good day. Yeah. Hey, hey Juan. How are you? You doing good?
I haven't seen you anymore.
I know. Well. I think I'm done with my bike ride. Then I'll do some walking. Yeah, so I'll catch up with you guys. Morning. Another time. Oh, feels good. Even though I only did like a mile and a quarter right now, but that's good enough for today. I have lots to do. Talk to you soon. This is Michelle coming to you again. Beautiful Naples, Florida. Hey. It's a good day. Yeah. See you again next time and I'll update you on Valencia Golf and Country Club. Bye. Have a great day. There we go.